Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Isaiah, and in this video we're going to talk about the amount of money we collected today in dividends. For those that are new to the channel, this is an income generating account where we generate income to invest in ourselves today. We do that through selling options such as puts and calls. When you sell a cash secured put, you're agreeing to buy a stock for a predetermined price. And when you sell a call, you're agreeing to sell a stock for a predetermined price. In either situation, you get paid a credit. We also have a couple high-yielding dividend payers. Today is ex-dividend day, so ULTY and YMAX announced their dividends. So let's take a look at how many shares we have of each. We have 580 shares of YMAX and 1,750 shares of ULTY. They both pay today. The account is currently sitting at $58,269. And for those that are new as well, our goal is to generate at least $600 every week. Once we hit that goal, we don't make any other trades unless we really see something, but we try to stick to that plan. Once you hit your weekly goal, you stop there. So we were at $385 through rolling positions as of Tuesday. So we're going to jump over to Twitter to see how much we're going to get paid out for our Yield Max fund. Okay, so Yield Max payouts. ULTY is paying just over 9 cents per share, 0.0923. And YMAX is paying just over 15 cents, 1.548. So let's jump over to our calculator. We had 518 shares of Yield Max times 0.1548. That's $80. $80 we're getting paid from YMAX. Perfect. And we have $1,750 of ULTY. Multiply that by 9,023. Wow, 161 bucks. Man, ULTY has been a nice cash cow for us dividends. Again, I'm not a proponent for these funds. You'll make more money selling your own options, but it is a nice little boost every week helping us get that $600. So let's add our $80 on it. Puts us at $241. We are at $380 for the week, $621. So just like that, we hit our weekly goal. We probably won't make any more trades this week because, again, once you hit that weekly goal, that 600 amount, you need to step away. So we've hit our goal, and gotta love generating income so that we can reinvest in ourselves. We're going to jump. Okay, so as I said, we've generated $621 so far this week, and that's probably all we're going to generate. We do have a Riot position open expiring on Friday at the $7.50 strike. That means we agreed to buy it for $7.50. But the stock is currently trading at about 10 bucks. So it's too much higher for me to be able to roll. Now, if it would pull down, we would roll this position. But unfortunately, I don't think it will. So it'll expire worthless, meaning we probably won't generate any more income this week, which again is okay. Our goal is 600 for the week. We have hit it. So now we can kind of relax, enjoy the rest of the week, and see what else comes about. We do still need to get our 2,000 shares of ULTY. I just don't like it where it's at, $6.30. It's just too expensive. I'll wait till ex-dividend day, and we'll see if it pulls back a little bit. Because you know what? I'd love to be able to buy another 50 shares or so at that $6 price. We're right at this. We're right at $17.50. 250 more shares till we hit our goal of 2,000. So I'm pretty happy about that. As you can see, if we scroll back up, I have a ton of options open. A ton. Next week, I'll probably sell some covered calls on ULTY. Maybe the 7:30 strike, maybe the 8 strike. We'll see. I don't want to sell my shares off, but you always want to make your shares work for you, and we're already collecting a nice weekly income from them, so why not try to double it up and get some covered call cash. Let's see if we could actually take a look at that right here. Covered call, again, means you're agreeing to sell a stock for a predetermined price. So if I went out to October 18th and I sold a call at the $8 strike, there's no volume there. Maybe we go to January at the 9. Yeah, no volume. Okay. Not quite enough upward trajectory yet to sell covered calls. I could sell it at the 7, but I could actually see it getting to the 7. So I really don't want to sell it at that strike, especially not for January of 26. So maybe we won't sell any covered calls on UL2Y. Doesn't look like there's enough upward mobility, but that's okay. We'll keep generating income from it weekly, collecting our dividends. But that wraps up today's video. If you want to learn about selling options, I'll put my link in my Fiverr course below. If you want to get a free stock and sign up through Robinhood, I'll put a link in the description below. You just got to enter some like $5 or whatever. You get a free stock. I get a free stock. So kind of a win-win either way. That being said, I appreciate each and every one of you.